Cache Giraffe server issues can temporarily stop the app from loading, updating rewards, or sensing gameplay. And those problems aren't always caused by your device. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify a possible Cache Giraffe server issue, what you should check first, and what to do until the service is working normally again. The first step is figuring out whether the problem is affecting only you. If Cache Giraffe won't open, stays on a loading screen, fails to display available offers, or doesn't update your reward progress, the issue could be related to the service. The same symptoms can also happen because of an unstable internet connection or an outdated version of the app. Start with the easiest checks. Force close Cache Giraffe, reopen it, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the app begins working after changing networks, the problem was probably your connection rather than Cache Giraffe servers. Next, verify that you're using the latest version of Cache Giraffe from the Google Play Store. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and maintain compatibility with newer Android versions. Installing the latest version eliminates one of the most common causes of connection problems. If the app still isn't working, check whether other users are reporting similar issues. Community forums and social media discussions often show when a widespread outage is affecting many accounts at the same time. If multiple users describe the same problem, it's a good indication that the issue is on Cache Giraffe's side. If your games are tracking but your rewards haven't updated yet, avoid assuming you've lost your progress. During temporary server interruptions, reward information may take additional time to synchronize after the service returns. Waiting for the servers to stabilize is often all that's required. Avoid uninstalling the app unless it's recommended by official support. If you're participating in eligible game offers, reinstalling the app unnecessarily could interrupt gameplay tracking. It's usually better to leave your account unchanged while a temporary outage is being resolved. If the issue continues after you've checked your connection, updated the app, and confirmed the problem isn't temporary, contact Cache Giraffe support. Include your device model, Android version, app version, screenshots of any error messages, and a clear description of what's happening. Detailed information helps the support team investigate your case more effectively. The main takeaway is simple. Check your internet connection, keep Cache Giraffe updated, see whether other users are experiencing the same issue, and give temporary server problems time to clear before making major changes. If the problem continues, contact official support for help. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app reviews.